guys, we're going to be looking at motorcycle gear today and a compilation of my videos that I actually have done while riding a motorcycle. So first off, let's go ahead and look at some gear that we have here set up. I have a Shoei helmet here. This is probably one of my favorite helmets that I actually have in use. It's actually one of the best. Also has the transition visor, which if you're going to buy this helmet, I 100% recommend, because this visor is actually probably the best I've ever had, and you only need one. You never need to switch it up. So it's very important that you do that. The air on these helmets is actually really good. I've really never had a problem, and I actually use a cover on it, so I can definitely tell you this is definitely the best helmet to get if you have issues with the air. You also have the front gear, and then if you actually look in the inside, you can see in the inside of the helmet there's actually a lot of air control for here, and then it comes out through the back. So it's actually a pretty good helmet for the price you get on that. So the next what we'll be looking at is gloves. It's very important that you actually have good gloves. The reason for that being is you want to protect your hands and then also your wrists. So gauntlet gloves are probably the best for that, and I can show you how they go on. A little tight if you have big hands, so make sure you get the right size, but once you break them in, they're not that bad. So basically with the gauntlet glove, you put it on all the way, you can notice it covers your wrists. Now if you have a jacket like mine, all you got to do is close it like this, and you're covered. So it gives you hard protection here, so you can hit hit anything really hard here. You also have protection here on your fingers as well, all the way down through here. One cool thing about these too is the hard section right here. This actually protects the side of your hand and the base of your hand to make sure you're not going to get into an accident. So very heavy duty gloves. I definitely recommend getting these because these are definitely worth it. I think right now they're going for like around 200. So you gotta look for some deals if you don't want to spend a bunch. So next we're going to look at is boots. Very important to have boots. And my SMX Plus boots are basically a sport riding boot. I am actually wearing the smaller side of them here, and these are the street boots. So you can see that they're a little shorter, but these are definitely for more extreme riders. If you're going to be doing a lot of curves and side bending, you want to get these. So they're kind of nice. They have a lot of plastic to cover you in the most important areas, and it's very hard in the toe here, and it also includes a shifter area, so when you shift you're not actually messing up your boot. The most important thing too on here is the boot's not actually removable like in other Alpinestyle boots. If you can actually see, the boot is not removable at all. It's actually built in. So that makes it a little bit more secure too, because you don't have to worry about it sliding off your foot if it's not tight enough. So these are definitely expensive boots, but they're definitely worth it. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and show some compilations of me wearing gear and giving you an idea on how the gear performs. One last thing too, jackets, always wear one. Doesn't matter which one it is, just make sure it's a name brand and it's COT certified. Alright guys, let's go ahead and we're going to watch our compilation.
I've been to many places, no OSHA, but I'm trading places. Boy, so real, I ain't never fake it. If you think I fall, then you're mistaken. My left won't fit up on my right hand in. 1, 2, 3, watch me rock that 6. Step in the place on the hill and broad street. Drilling your screen cause I stole like Lee. Couple of shots, name out of Patron. They calling me king cause I'm living the dream. I'm diving in deep, take a long limousine. Sing along, like you catch a little feel. The mirror knows, tell me who knows. I'm killing the flow out of the stone, rocking the show. The bucket me cause me telling me, take it, you don't. Hell no, in your mind, guess a let's go.
Nobody does it better. We know, they know, we glow. Put it back down. I am numero uno. Nobody does it better. We
They're reading me like a magazine. Being real crazy, get them like a teen. I'm fully grown man, I'm a bobby teen. Being on fire like a dragon fleet. Flying on cap but no Aladdin. No two black but all eyes on me. Tryna do me, don't be mad at me. Really for the seasons, so rejoice with me. Yeah, it's sticker baby. When you're the name is the future baby. Stepping on my game, going higher baby. Don't touch your boy, you're threats baby. 10 over 10 on the crowd baby. Flow so sick, I'm a star.